Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tinu Lovingly Art. This is a video on designing a border using a 3D liner. This can be painted as a saree border or for a blouse border. Come on friends, let us get into the video. Here I have marked the sleeve for my blouse and then I have secured the fabric on an embroidery frame. Then I mark the center of the design by folding the design paper. Then I make sure to align the center of the design and the center of the fabric on a same line. Then I started tracing my design onto the fabric using a carbon sheet. Before removing my design paper and my carbon sheet from the fabric, I always make sure to check if I have traced down all the details onto the fabric. Now this is a Fevicryl brand Pearl Metallic Gold 3D liner that I have used to make the 3D work. Over here I have made this design for the sleeve border. This can also be designed for the saree borders too. Here I use the sharp edge of the toothpick to remove the extra liners. By using the flat end of the toothpick, I pick and paste the stones on the design. These stones are available in the stores where you can get embroidery materials. Always keep a waistcloth handy while using a 3D liner. It is for wiping the nozzle of the liner every here and there. If the nozzle is not cleaned here and there, the liner gets clogged in the nozzle and you will not be getting a thin line of outliner. Now this is a fine tipped nozzle that I use to make some fine detailing lines. Instead of this, you can always make a cone and use that cone for making fine line details. While using the outliner bottle, make sure to shake your outliner bottle every here and there. By shaking the outliner bottle, you can release the pressure which is built inside the outliner bottle. If the pressure inside the bottle is not released, there will be a sudden gush of the outliner from the nozzle which will ruin our painting. I do paste some stones wherever I desire to make the design look more elegant. I do repeat the same process of filling the 3D liner and pasting the stones on the other side too. Now I start making some border line for the sleeves. You can find the link for this outline sketch design which is available in the description below. If you are new, kindly do support us by subscribing to my channel. Press on the bell icon to get notified on new videos. If you like this video, do like and share this video with your friends of similar interest. Do share me your views about this video in the comment section. After completing your design, always leave the fabric undisturbed for a day to dry completely. I felt the upper area of my sleeve is very empty, so I thought of making some dots and circles to fill the space. Always if we try making an entire circle, it will be messy. For me, I always end up messy if I try making an entire circle in a single go. So what I do is I make a small C first and then another C to join as a circle. If you like this idea of making a circle, do send me a like. Similarly, I make the same design for the other sleeve too. This is how it looked after completion. Thank you for watching the complete video.